Good day, everyone. Today, I will be discussing the importance of curriculum reforms in educational institutions, particularly in teacher education. I will also share my reflections and key learnings from the course The Teacher and the School Curriculum. Curriculum reforms are important because education should always match the changing needs of learners and society. As the world continues to change, school must prepare learners with updated knowledge, skills, and values. In teacher education, curriculum reforms help future teachers become more prepared, confident, and effective in handling real classroom situations. An updated curriculum trains teachers to use better teaching strategies, appropriate assessment, and modern tools, including technology. Curriculum reforms in teacher education also promote inclusive and learner centered teaching. Future teachers learn how to address different learning styles, abilities, and backgrounds of students. So, this includes teaching learners with special needs and those from diverse cultures. Because of curriculum reforms, teachers are trained to plan meaningful lessons, manage classrooms effectively, and also create a positive learning environment for all students. So, from the course, The Teacher in the School Curriculum, I learned that teachers play an important role in the curriculum. Also, teachers do not only follow the curriculum, they also help make it work in the classroom. I learned that understanding the goals, content, activities, and assessment of the curriculum helps teachers deliver better lessons. So, when teachers understand the curriculum well, they can adjust their teaching to meet the needs of the learners. I also learned that reflection is an important part of teaching. Teachers need to think about their teaching practices and check if the lessons are effective. So, this helps teachers improve their strategies and support students better. So, the course helped me realize that teaching is not just about delivering lessons, but also about planning, reflecting, and improving. So, overall, this course helped me appreciate the role of teachers as important contributors to curriculum success. It taught me that teachers are not only instructors, but also guides and role models who help shape meaningful learning experiences. So that's all. Thank you.